Good morning! So, it's 7:46 a.m. So, at 8 a.m. guys, kakain kami. Kasi may free breakfast po tayo. So, maya punta tayo sa restaurant para makapag-breakfast na. Okay? It's 7:47. Oh, yan sabi ni Mickey Mouse. Yan, sina Mat. Mat, good morning. Marky. Maya mag-breakfast na tayo. So, ang in-order natin is daing silog. Boneless daing silog. Mac! So, hi Mami, good morning. Saan tayo? Okay, eat na tayo. Okay, let me lock first the door. Okay. Let's go, Mami. It's time to eat. Let's go. Let's go, Marky. Mat. Tara na. So, dito banda yung kanilang restaurant. Yes, eh?
Remember breadstick?
Yes! Yeah, you get another one? Okay, come on, let's go up. Be careful. Okay. Oh, lead the way, CA. Going to the restaurant. Good morning, Nak. Good morning. Hi, Mommy. Good morning. Let's go. So, ito na yung this way to Secret Paradise Resto Bar. Diyan kami kakain. Yes. Ito yung reservation natin. Garnet table. Ma'am, pared yung food na sa Garnet, ma'am. Tapos, ma'am, pa-admin ka ng kuan, doa ka table, doa ka chairs.
Apa.
Pwede may muha, dire? Okay. Patang chairs. Pakibigay sa kay mami. Yan. Okay. Good morning. Say, come here. So, pakita ko lang guys. Ang ganda ng view namin. Yung kitchen nila. Open kitchen pala ito.
Mabuti lang buntot. May coffee po ito, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Nescafe Steep 3-in-1 tsaka Milo. Ano po sa inyo?
What do you want, Milo?
Milo kay CA. Nescafe sa akin, 3-in-1. Okay, guys. Ito yun yung free breakfast ng resort.
Ma'am,
Where's my food?
This one. That is your food.
ate, oh.
Where? I don't like this.
Huh? You said yesterday that you like daing. We ordered that one. What do you like?
That's fish.
Yeah, that's fish. It's okay.
Yeah, it's bangus.
Kaya ito yung in-order natin, guys. Kasi nga, yung daing silog nila is, boneless.
There's about 10
Guys, let's eat. Yan, isa pa. Thank you. Thank you. Salamat. Wow. Ito yung sabaw kahapon, guys, na hindi namin nakain. Come on, let's eat. Let's eat. Let's go, guys. Come on na. Come on.
Daddy, the beach
Be careful, ha? You need to watch your step.
ball is It's not ready yet.
Okay. Be careful. Mami. Okay, so mga bata gusto nang maligo ulit.
Oh, pwede ba? Ay, tanong natin yung kayak, anak.
Oy, pwede nyo gamitin yung kayak na. Gusto magkayak? O sige, magkayak kayo.
Uy, ang sama na ako. Kaya mamaya pa tayo mag... Kaya mo yan sila, Teo. Mamaya pakita mo nakalublob na yan.
Ask mo daw, mami, kung pwede ba. Kasi pwede na natin keep yung mga gamit sa sasakyan eh. Oh. Come on. Ul.
Ano ba nang mag-fix ng ng gamit? Sino gusto maligo?
Oh, so, tingnan natin ang beach. You need to change your na.
Pero siguro kung
For swimming.
siya lang tayo ng ilang oras.
Okay guys, ready na ta? Yeah. Maligo na punta. Yung hindi daw maligo, pero maligo na punta sa. Let's go. Tumakbo.
Hey, I'll wear my shirt.
May shoes na.
What's mine? Yeah, okay. That's mine. Okay na ba ito? Wala na yun. Masusuot. Basta.
Ang murag ako ata ni Kay.
Kuhan man. Oh, kasha. Tama ko.
Let's go. Come on. O yung paper na. Okay. So, okay na ba yung paper na? Yan. Kasi may libre kami na 1 hour paggamit ng kayak. Let's go. Yan na. Let's go. Tumakbo. Ay, nakapakisarado ng ng door. Nandiyan si mami sa loob, di ba? Yan na, Marky. Go, go. Let's go. So, asa si CA? Where's CA? Ayan si CA. Ha?
Ano kaya? Blue.
Ha?
Where's the
Sa lifeguard, yun ata na ko. CA! CA! CA!
high tide do?
CA! Hi!
Yay! Daddy, come on!
I know!
No, Daddy. I know how to swim.
Okay. Oh! Saan yung mata na yung lalong na mata? Oh. Lalong may adara ha?
Daddy. Isa doon palang malalim doon.
Oh, kaya nyo man yan. CA!
Where's my beach ball?
Your beach ball?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's there. We got the show.
Malalim naman ka doon.
Ano, ano mo na? Binigay mo na?
Daddy, are we the only one that buy the beach ball?
Yes.
Kailangan ko ba mag-life vest?
Na ano, para saan? Oh, kailangan yan na. Kailangan yan.
Daddy,
Yes?
I want to see.
Ha? Axe there. Nak, mag-video kayo? Mag-video kayo? Okay na. Hindi, lagay niyo muna dyan. Just put it there. Hindi, kasi magkaya kayo, di ba? Yung isa mag-film, ha?
Ball!
Life vest niya, naka. Saglit lang.
Iwan namin.
Iwan niyo?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Pa-after.
Oh, nak, yung kaya. Nag-move. Asang life vest? Yeah. Oh, Matt, mag-film ka, ha?
Yan. Woo! Nagkayak! Yan! Faster! Yan! Oh, diba? Amazing! Parang pwede ko siguro ilagay itong GoPro dito. Right eye mahulog. Ha? Careful! Uy, papunta tayo dun! Uy! Uy, liko! Uy, papunta tayo dyan!
Uy, paano liko?
Backwards, uy, backwards. Punta ka backwards. Oh. Hindi, i-flip mo, i-flip mo, yan. Backwards, yan. Backwards.
Alright.
Pag gusto mo na mag-brake, ako na mag-ano, ganyan. Ako na mag... Uy! Bug!
Lalim mo lagi.
Crab! Crab! Yan. Yan. Oh, wonderful.
Dito.
Yan, oh. Deep masyado, oh. Very deep. Ito nyo yun. Yan. Oh, oh, mahit. Oh. Yan. Doon tayo. Ayan, oh, paikot. Sino na mag-film? Ako pa rin? Okay. Sir.
Kill mo sa baba.
Ha? Sa baba? Okay, let's go down. Sila CA, oh. Sila daddy. Punanabot siguro yan sila, oh. No. Uy, makahit ka. Kaya ako naman, be. Oh, ikaw film. Be, ambi na.
Hey guys, we're here, Kalibada Secret Paradise, and we're here kayaking with my brother. We'll go to the edge, I guess. I think I'm gonna end this here, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna end this here. My dad's about to go here. Bum tayo kay daddy.
Magpunta kami dyan.
Yeah.
Ano, feel mo si Daddy? Hello. Woohoo! Gusto mo, Daddy? Hindi na.
I'm gonna end this here, guys. It's really hot. I can't take it. Daddy, I'll end the video.
Bye. Ano tayo kay Daddy?
Okay. Three, two, one, go!
We're gonna film it.
Oh no, there's a bee.
Tama gina exercise ba?
So we're gonna create a mountain, guys, for CA.
Daddy, wait.
What?
Daddy, shells.
Huh?
Daddy, look, shells.
Nice. Hey, look. Look at the mountain.
It's nice.
Oh. So ang ginagawa namin ngayon, guys, palipas oras muna kasi 2 o'clock na kasi yung ano namin dun sa kabila. Kasi yung check-in time namin doon. Ang kagandahan lang doon sa kabilang resort, guys, exclusive yung resort na yun sa kami lang.
Look at him.
Nakakalungkot lang dahil hindi makasama si mama at papa kasi dami pa daw silang gagawin. Pero si Daddy Ken, mamaya pupunta siya.
Oh no, the ball!
Sylvie, I'm gonna protect it.
The ball is covered in sand. Just wash it.
Okay.
Daddy, you like our mountain?
Yes, we like our mountain, guys.
Daddy, it's so smooth.
I know.
You made a time lapse.
It's not a time lapse. So it's okay to talk, right? Let's move.
Then after this, we'll cover it with rocks.
Yep.
We have rocks. Daddy, shell! Instant shell. Daddy, what is it called?
We call it an instant shell. Mean it.
Instant shell.
Yep. Let's put a barrier for this so it will not go away.
I'm gonna pee. Okay. Go.
Careful. Okay. Okay. Where are you going? You don't need it?
I'm just gonna relax.
Ah, okay. You're going to relax. Careful.
It's an egg. It's an egg.
Okay, just put it here.
Red textured egg.
You have to wash it first.
Here's the red textured egg.
Okay.
It's so cute, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes I thought this is a
This is broken.
Mommy,
What? That's too big.
can this fit on the pocket?
No.
Mommy, yeah, you have to put this to their collection.
Okay. That's huge.
That's a huge pack of shells.
Yeah.
Mommy, it's a huge pack of shells. Daddy, Mommy, where's the shells?
It's here with me.
Okay, here's the shell. What is over here?
So yun nga guys, nakapag-ready na rin kami. Naligo lang kami saglit kasi pupunta na naman kami dun sa kabilang resort, ang kagandahan. Sinabi na mention namin a while ago na mag-overnight na naman kami dun, pero maganda lang kasi exclusive lang, so kami-kami lang talaga. Pero nakakamiss din dito mami kasi ang daming mga activities. So, punta kayo dito guys.
May banana boat.
Napakaganda.
May kaya.
Ano, pakita ko sa inyo, may banana boat mo. Ano. May mga activities nila sa resort. Banana boat. Pwede kang magkayak. Pag nag-overnight ka, may free ka na 1 hour sa paggamit ng kayak. Not bad, diba? Grabe, super relaxing talaga dito. Napakaganda. Saka yung mga tao very friendly. Food, fair naman yung food. Masarap yung, in fairness, masarap yung food nila dito. Mas okay pa rin na dito lang kayo mag-order. Wala pang hassle. Hindi kailan magdala ng mga gamit. Kasi pag magdala kayo ng food dito, may corkage kasi.
Mommy,
Depende, pero check lang nyo sa website.
Pero masarap yung pagkain nila. Super talaga. Tsaka yung mga isda. Kumain kami ng kinilaw. Napaka-fresh.
actually came.
Nakita nyo naman kahapon, di ba? Yung mga food. Sarap. Maganda mag-snorkeling. Maraming isda. Learning. Anyway guys, kita-kits tayo dun sa kabila. Okay? Yun guys, sasakay na kami sa cable car. Oop! Careful! Sakay na kami sa cable car. Super! Lakas ng ulan. Ay, may roof man oh! Oo nga.
kagandahan lang dito guys compared sa iba, yung cable car seats, pinahirapan. Careful guys, watch your step ha. So yung adventure ha, adventure. Diri din di ay. Let's go. Ganda oh. Bye, Canny bag. Let's go guys. Bye. Salamat sir. Okay. Let's go. Nadiri sir. Na. Okay. Payong, okay. Thank you.
Antolo, balikan na to?
Ano daw, balikan, oo. Dodo kaagi. Diretso na yung sa baba nyo. Let's go. Bye. Kailan kayo?
Yup.
Sulit ba?
Yes.
Ayos. Ito pala akyat, ganyan. Yeah, yan. Akyat tayo guys.
Ready?
Yes.
Sit down.
Ay, lingkod ba? Okay. Diyan kayo, dito ako. Para pantay.
Diyan na lang yung ano,
Yan o. Akyat tayo guys. Hello Nat.
ano yung ginagamit nila nito po?
Cable. Motor, may motor na sigurado. Adventure. Sayang hindi natin mabigyan si naman. Let's taas. Yan. Yan guys. Diba? Para hindi na tayo mahirapan. Paakyat. Sobrang steep talaga eh. Diba kahapon? Pagod din pa ako. O yan yung fitness natin. Kahapon ano. Saka yung laro natin. So okay pa rin. Maganda oh. So ulitin ko lang, napakasulit, napakamura ang overnight stay dito. Kung may family kayo of 4 to 6 packs, ito yung this is the right place for you. Yeah, super mura lang. Tapos masarap ang pagkain nila. Ito tayo dito sa Canny Bad Secret Paradise. Woo! Yes. Alright. Busy mga anak ko sa kanilang Apple Watch.
Masak kasi.
Oo nga. Okay, ano man yan? Waterproof man yan. Ano up to 50 meters ba? Oh, 50 meters. Mga ano lang. Huwag lang scuba. Kasi yung scuba kailangan 100 meters yun. Ito pwede pong scuba. Lapit na kami guys. Few meters na lang. Ayan o, kita nyo na. Likod. Biwit! Huwag na akong puti.
Lapit na tayo.
Lapit na.
Seconds na lang.
Okay guys, lapit na. Naku, kaya kong naong. Let's go, tumakbo.
Oh. Parang winch.
Ay, naka-oras pa. So mga 6 minutes ang biyahe. Paras lang dun sa kabila. Thank you. Ayan na. Yes. Okay guys, let's go. Tumakbo.
Yes. Okay niya.
Sige na. Ito to, bitbitin mo to. Yan. Ako na ito. Salamat sir. Thank you. Sir, napay isa sir, napay tulo. Uy, gabay ka bagat.
Wala na doon?
Sila mami. Ah, meron pa ba? Ano pa di ay? Salamat sir.
Mark, pagmutan mo to.
Saglit lang. Wait lang ha. On ko muna yung sasakyan. Pwede na yan anak. Wait, Marky. Buksan mo na yung sasakyan. Ayan guys, so tapos na rin tayo dito. Doon naman sa kabila, another adventure guys. Bye bye. Secret Paradise here at Canibal. CR mo na siya. Antayin natin sina CA. Bakit na sila? Padung na sa sir no? Wala pa di ay? Sige. Wala tun sila.
Ay, pababa mo pala.
Oo, sila. May nalanggit. Buti na lang talaga. Bagong-bago yung tire natin. For off-roading. Guys, hindi pa ako nagpalit ng sasakyan kasi very reliable ang Toyota. Kahit matanda na yan, pero very reliable yung Toyota.
Ilang years na natin yun ba?
Oo, ilang years na rin yan. So, kaya nga, kailangan nyo talaga i-maintain. Sa OFW ko, hindi practical na bumili ng bagong sasakyan. Okay na yan. As long as sumandar at di nakakatakot pagka bumiyahe. Are you done? Good. So let's just wait for mommy, okay? Okay.
So cute.
Yeah.
Oi! Why is it so slow? We have to wait a long time for this to go down.
Go. Whoop.
Oh, mommy, it's too far.
Oh, nice yung hotel mo. Oh, diba? Needs nice, no?
Nice. This is taking so long.
It's okay, at least we're not tired. Oh, wow, nice! See, nice view.
Is that where you live? It's actually abandoned.
Yeah, I don't know what is that.
It's like another thing to wait, this state.
Ito to.
But it's already abandoned.
Hi Island Boy! Hi Mommy! Ayan guys, backyard na sila. O diba, social dito oh. Kay Fever kasi dito sa Canibal, pababa kasi siya. Parang mountain kasi tong area na to. Kaya if you're planning to come here guys, kasi maraming masyadong resort dito, pero sila lang meron ng ganito, yung cable car. Ayan. Or I should say, cable house. CA! Hi Ate Sho! Ate Sho, smile! Hi Mommy! Hi Island Boy, CA! Mr. Island Boy. Hello! Welcome CA! Welcome back on top of the world. Salamat sir! Let's go, come on. Whoa, okay, thank you. Say, you say thank you. So, sana naman tayo?
McDo!
McDo!
Kasi ito naman sila.
Hey, you look cool. Come on,
I'm not cool.
Sabi,
You're hot?
open it.
I'm not hot. You're cool.
Let's go. Go, Seal. Tara guys. Let's go na.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go guys. Bigat pala libot natin mamay.